Do you know how we ensure excellence in the production processes of products used in industries ranging from medical and defense to energy, automotive, furniture, accessories, and many others? We work closely with you to shape your needs and offer cost-effective solutions for your comprehensive projects. Our prototyping service gives you the opportunity to test your design. Through precise mold production, we help you achieve accurate results in mass production. With our expertise in machining and plastic manufacturing, we meticulously produce even the most complex parts, ensuring flawless results. Our finishing processes add the final touches to your products, making them ready for use with quality and confidence. At Takecraft Engineering, we identify the most suitable production methods for your plastic, metal, prototype, or 3D design needs, and present our proposal to you with the best possible cost and in the shortest time frame. Once you approve our proposal, we share the production planning and step-by-step production processes with you. We deliver the sample to you with quality control and reporting, and upon your confirmation, we complete mass production, ensuring proper packaging and shipment under suitable conditions. With our post-sales support, we successfully maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction.